This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. I am so excited for today's video because I bought some shit. Let's unbox it, Mart edition. And listen, I wasn't gonna get the full set, okay? I was like, oh, this is cute. I only need a couple of boxes. And then I wound up with 10. Hear me out, okay? I couldn't judge if these were gonna sell out or not, so I bought a couple boxes on TikTok Live, and then I thought about it and it kept selling out, and I was like, oh, should I get more? And then when the Mart app dropped this, I was like, well, I mean, I should get a couple of more. Next thing you know, it's 10. The full set, I believe, is 8. No, 9. They're 9. Okay, so I only got one more. What are the odds of me getting this secret? Probably not good, but you know what? What are the odds of me getting multiple duplicates? Probably a lot. But it's okay though, it's okay, it's okay, because I wanted to see. There's nothing, okay? I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but I'm excited because you know what? I'll be honest with you. When I first saw them, I thought, oh, this is cute, but I only need 1 or 2. And then the more I kept seeing the ads for them, I was like, I kind of want all of them. So I hope, you know what would be really awesome actually? I got a bunch of individual boxes. What would be nice if this is actually a complete set? That would be wild. Oh my God, that'd be so good. So come hold hands with me. Let's get all the good energy. Okay, I'm pulling. I need it from you. Yes, you, Becky from Tulsa. Okay, I need it from you because that would be awesome. But if it doesn't happen, it's okay. I just am a idiot. So without further ado, let's open some boxes. I am so excited. Okay, so here are all of them. They're all in front of me. I'm gonna pop it up in the corner here so you can see all the little different variants. I'll be honest with you. The ones that are not my favorite, Pinocchio, I don't know. I don't know. Actually, I'm not gonna be mad if I do get a Pinocchio though, because he kind of reminds me of The Burbs, the movie with Tom Hanks. Okay, and the one guy is dressed like, I don't know, German Pinocchio. Basically, I kind of like it now based off of that weird movie. So I'm okay with that. But Simba, I don't know, like Simba, I feel like they kind of got lazy with Simba. The Dalmatian, The Beast is growing on me because at first I was like, oh, I don't want that. But then Alex is like, oh, that's cute. He has a little coat. And then I was like, I need to have all of them. Once Alex gave me that little bit of validation, I was like, I want it too.
Oh, hello. Alex here. All I said was that his coat was fun. Do with that what you will.
This is a lot about me personally. But my favorite though, my absolute mother favorite is that Mickey Stitch. And my odds are really good for a Mickey Stitch, don't you think? I think so. So if I get multiple duplicates of Mickey, I'm not even gonna be mad about it. I'm just not gonna be mad about it. But I love Pooh. I think Tigger's great, Cheshire Cat, Jumbo. And the secret's actually cute too because it's mini, but like I'm not even gonna pull for the secret, so don't even bother, okay? We don't have that kind of energy. So let's start with box number 1. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I think, I can't believe I got 10 of them. I'm a moron. Okay, I think this is gonna be Mickey. I'm gonna shoot my shot. All right, I'm gonna shoot my shot. This is gonna be Mickey. Let's see if I'm remotely right. Oh, okay, that didn't feel good. Oh, okay, no, okay, listen. Oh, okay, you know what? You're not my Mickey, but you're pretty fucking cute though. And this, okay, let's look at that little jacket. Look at that little jacket. Oh, okay, he's really cute. Okay, he's adorable. Okay, I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you. Okay, so I'm gonna put you on the side. Really want a Mickey though, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't know why it's like I don't have children. Nothing's slithering out of this vagina. But if I had a child, I mean, no, I feel like none of these are my children. My children need to be fat, but I think I would purposely, dress them up for Halloween and make them take pictures like that. So, am I crazy? I am. Okay. Moving on. You know what? Kind of based off of that, I feel like this one's gonna be, not gonna say Mickey. I don't think it's Mickey. I think this one's gonna be Tigger. I feel good. I feel good about that. Okay, I don't feel good about that. That was not a good rip. Oh, it's a Dalmatian. Okay, I mean, he's cute. Listen, he's cute. He's cute. He's cute. I mean, he's cute. I think he's cute. I definitely think the Beast is better. But listen, look, he's pretty adorable though. I know I'm being hard on him. I don't know. I think when I think about the Dalmatians, I have like this weird thing. I knew somebody that like was obsessed with the Dalmatians, and she scarred me for life. So I think that's why I get kind of like a visceral reaction. God, that girl was crazy. Anyway. And that is all I'm going to say about that. Anyway, this he's cute. He's cute. He's cute. He's cute. A lot cuter than I thought he was going to be. Okay. Because like online, I was kind of like, but the picture is so cute. I do love these like passport photos. I don't know. I love them, but I don't know. Cuter than I thought, but not what I wanted. And watch, I get like 3 more of them because God hates me. All right, let's do this. I think this one's going to be Dumbo. I feel like it's gonna be Dumbo. So far, my luck is shit, by the way. Shit. Oh, why is it like all the ones that I don't really love? Oh. Okay, first of all, this is not Simba. Okay, you know what this is? This is the fucking Wolfman. Tell me if I knew how to sew, I would make him a little green jacket, like a little flannel. Do you imagine a little flannel shirt? Oh, okay. Can one of you babies, okay, either teach me how to sew a tiny shirt, or maybe I could just commission it. Maybe commissioning it is much easier, but I want a tiny little green plaid shirt because this man is not Simba. This man is the wolf man, okay? And I want to take him to Halloween Horror Nights. Okay, you're growing on me. You're so funny. Okay, this does not look like Simba at all. I don't understand. Why not put him in like a little lion costume? The pant, this is Wolfman. What is this? But I kind of like him though now. All right. No, okay, the cards are really cute. Okay, listen, I'm not upset. Because we are pulling literally everyone that I didn't really want so much, you know, like I haven't seen my target ones, and I'm getting a little nervous here because I feel like I'm gonna get a bunch of duplicates now of just these 3. Okay, I'm gonna say, this one feels heavy. I'm gonna say that this one is Cheshire Cat. I have no one to blame but myself. I got twins. Okay. I'm gonna give that to my friend Erin. I don't know if she wants it. I don't care. I'm gonna give that to you. I'm gonna give it to you. Okay. I have 6 boxes left. We got 1 duplicate, which honestly, not bad. Not bad, right? Not bad. Not bad. I'm starting to not feel good about things, which isn't great, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh God. I feel like this is Winnie the Pooh. Please, I haven't been psychic once today. Come on, man. Oh my God, what the fuck? No! This was worth it! Oh my God, shut the fuck up! Okay, wait. I'm not psychic. Kind of bumming me out. But are you kidding me? Your husband's here, bitch. Your husband's in one of these boxes. He has to be. She's so cute. Oh my God, hold on. Let me take her little plastic mask off. That is so cute. This is so much cuter. Okay, so I have the Mickey and Friends one, right? And I do not like the Minnie in that set. I don't know. The Minnie and the Mickey are kind of like, they're not my favorites. But the Mickey in this set, I'm obsessed with. And I wasn't gunning for her. The fact that I feel like I won the lottery. Okay. It's so nice. It's like the world just rewarding me for, you know, all the money that I'm spending. But it's just nice to get a secret every once in a while. But you are so pretty. Oh, she's so cute. She has her little long underwear on. Oh, it was weird to say, but she's so cute. Her little dress. I can't. That is so cute. Oh my God. The universe is rewarding me. Okay. Thank you. Do you imagine if I get another one? Okay, all right. I feel good about this. 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 Mickey has to be in here now. Oh God, okay. I think this is gonna be Mickey. You know what? I'm gonna shoot my shot. Oh no, it's not, but it's Dumbo though, and he's so fucking precious. Oh my God. Sir. All right, first of all, we gotta get the little plastic off your face. Oh, he's so cute. I can't. Oh, this is exceeding my expectations. That is adorable. Shut up. Oh my God, I love you. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so here's the card. I feel good about the card. We love the card. I think the cards they're probably the cutest cards that I've seen from a blind box. I don't know, just the illustration is just so cute on these. They just remind me of like student pictures. It's just funny. Okay, I have 4 boxes. 1 duplicate so far. Haven't really gotten my targets except for Dumbo. But so far, we're not doing so good. But it's okay. Because I think this is gonna be, I feel defeated. I think it's gonna be Cheshire Cat. No, but it's Winnie the Pooh. Oh, that is so, oh, look how cute and fat he is. He has a little round belly. Oh, I can't, I absolutely cannot. That is the cutest thing ever. I cannot believe I pulled Minnie. Oh my God, my babies. Don't talk to me about babies again. Oh, he is so cute. You exceeded my expectations, but I really want Mickey. And you're not Mickey, but you're a close second. So I accept you and I love you, but I really want Mickey. But I think you're really cute though. So I'm happy that you're here, but I don't understand. I have 3 boxes left. I don't know where the Mickey is. Mickey has to be here. I got 10 boxes. Mickey has to be here. This is what we're missing so far. Mickey, Pinocchio, Tigger, Cheshire Cat. This one's gonna be Mickey. It's gonna be Mickey. I know it's gonna be Mickey. Oh no, but you know what? It's okay though because the Cheshire Cat's so cute. This is so cute. I think the ones where he's like fully in his little outfit, I think are the cutest ones. Look at that tail. Oh my God, that's so cute. And I think that's what's fucking me up about Simba here, is if Simba was like a full costume, like I think it would look cuter, but this looks like a f***ed up wolf man that's been on like a bath salts bender and lost his shirt. You're cute. Cheshire Cat's adorable. That is so, I love the little floppy ears. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I want to go to Disney now. And I hate Disney. I hate Disney because Disney rips you off. That's why I hate Disney. But anyway, amongst other things too. But listen, that's adorable. I have 2 boxes. I'm a little shocked. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little shocked that we haven't gotten Mickey. Okay, because I figured 10 boxes, you know, I'm bound to have at least 2. And maybe these 2 are Mickey. Okay. I think this is gonna be, I have a feeling this is gonna be Pinocchio because I don't want it. I got another Wolfman. What I will say, I'm very surprised. I only have 1 box left. I'm very surprised the amount of duplicates I did get, because in theory, I feel like the universe f***s me sometimes and I get a shitload of things that I don't want. But I felt like, oh, I'm gonna get more than 2 duplicates. So the fact that, I mean, why am I even saying that? I have 1 box left. I have 1 box left. And I could easily get another duplicate, but I feel like my odds are not that bad, but they're still terrible. Okay, and I haven't guessed one of these fuckers right today. I am not a lucky bitch at all, by any means, and this is really bumming me out. That's the thing is about that, and I don't have a Mickey. What the I'm forcing my friend to take this one as well. She doesn't know it. I'm just gonna mail it to your house. Yay! Okay, we have 1 more box left. Who are we missing? My boy Mickey. Pinocchio and Tigger. I think this is gonna be another Simba. I don't feel like Mickey's here and it's bumming me the f out. Oh, no, but it's okay though because you're Tigger. And you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, I'm so happy I didn't get a duplicate, you bitch. Okay, first of all, card, 10 out of 10. Okay. You might be my favorite one. Oh, that is satisfying. You know, I thought Pooh Bear's was, but like, I think Tigger's better. I mean, granted, Pooh Bear doesn't wear any pants, okay? He's a pantsless boy, but that is cute. Okay, you know what? All right, I just wanted Mickey so badly. I'm not buying another one of these boxes. I'm going to be a loser and go on Mercari or eBay and just get the one that I want because life is unfair. I will say, straight up, super surprised about this. I didn't expect this. I didn't think this was gonna happen. This, I would say, made everything kind of worth it. And I almost got the whole set, which is kind of wild. The only ones that I'm missing is Mickey and Pinocchio. Pinocchio, whatever, but I just need Mickey. I just need Mickey. Oh my God, okay. If I had to rank them, starting with my least favorite, Simba's my least favorite until he gets a green plaid shirt. Then he will become top 3. Okay, because he's no longer Simba, he is now a wolfman, okay? This feels fucking lazy, this one. I don't love this one. Not a fan of that one. Then it would be the Dalmatian. Dalmatian is cute, but I just kind of have like this weird visceral reaction because this one girl I used to know, and that's all I'm gonna say, okay? But she has changed Dalmatians for me forever, and I hate that, okay? So you're over there. Then I guess I would say, the Beast. Listen, the Beast is really cute. Like little jackets growing on me. I think it's actually kind of really cute. And I do like his little horns. But I think the other ones in this collection are cuter. So then it would be him. Then this is where it kind of gets interesting because I think it would be Dumbo. I love Dumbo, but I think the other ones are cuter. But he is super cute though. And I kind of want to take him to Magic Kingdom with me. Okay, I love him. Then I guess it would be Minnie. Minnie is really cute. And when it's a secret, like, bitch, we all bow down, okay? This one is super cute, but I think I like the other ones more from this collection. But, oh, her ears are so soft. Oh my God, she's so cute. I can't wait to take her to Magic Kingdom as well. Actually, no, I would be afraid to do that. I would only take you to a signature dining experience, okay? Ooh, yes. Oh my God, we need to go to a Disney restaurant so I can just have you on my bag. Would you like to go to the Yachtsman Steakhouse? I think you would. Okay. Then it would be Pooh because I do love Pooh. I love the little yellow head. Again, it's so soft. And I like his little red shirt and I like his little fat belly, but I think the other two are cuter. Then it would be Cheshire Cat. Cheshire Cat's pretty adorable. I love, ooh, plastic girl, get away. She is so cute. I love her. This one I could see myself using a lot of times on my bag, but I think number 1 is Tigger. Tigger is so cute. I don't have a lot of Tigger things and I love Pooh. Oh my God, this one's so good. He's so happy. I love that. I love you. Okay, that's my ranking. I'm a little bummed, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised that I got the secret and I only got 2 dupes. That's kind of wild. And I'll take it. Listen, my guessing was completely fucking off today, and it's okay. Obviously, I'm not very psychic today. I shouldn't be playing the lotto. Or maybe I should, because I feel like when I do guess correctly, I lose the lotto horribly. Maybe this is the universe telling me I should buy a ticket today. I think I'm gonna do that, okay. And you'll know once I hit the lotto, because well, you'll see. I'll keep that to myself. Oh my God. All right. Today was fun. I don't feel a complete waste. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Let me know down below which one was your favorite. And of course, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much to my beautiful YouTube members and patrons for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces. And we'll see you little bitches real soon. Bye.